Introducing the all-new Puretec Puremix Z7. The Puremix Z7 is the latest high-flow inline water filter from Puretec, which enables an increased capacity of over 60,000 litres and incorporates new Z+ filtration technology. The Puremix Z7 connects to any standard mixer tap, meaning there is no need for a separate filter tap, and it installs horizontally or vertically so that shelf cutouts are not required. Z+ filtration technology uses antibacterial beads to inhibit bacterial growth within the system, helping to ensure you only get healthy, great-tasting water on tap. Puretec provides a complete kit for standard installation and has introduced valve-in-head technology, which means the cartridge can be quickly and easily changed without having to turn off the water supply. With 3 stages of filtration, the Puremix Z7 removes particles, sediment, rust, sand, silt, and algae. It goes on to reduce chlorine and other chemicals, as well as bad tastes and odours. It then finishes with the antibacterial beads to inhibit bacterial growth within the system. Whilst the 1 micron rating offers protection from harmful cysts like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, it's all backed up by the 10-year Platinum Protection Warranty. The Puretec Puremix Z7 is available now, so get in touch with one of our team today. Puretec, perfecting water made easy.